Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode from your beloved channel Linguamid. This episode is about vegetables, so I collected for you 10 important vegetables in spoken Egyptian. So let's dive in. The first one is طماطم. Tomato is in Egyptian طماطم, and this for the plural. If we want one piece, we say طماطماية. Okay, so for example, أنا عايز طماطماية. I want one piece of tomato. Okay, أنا عايز طماطم. I want tomato. So طماطم, tomato. The second one, mushrooms, mean in spoken Egyptian عيش الغراب or عيش الغراب. Usually we say it عيش الغراب, and also we say mushroom. Okay, so you can say it either way, mushroom or عيش الغراب. عيش الغراب. Okay, so I want mushroom. أنا عايز عيش الغراب. أنا بحب عيش الغراب. I love mushroom. Okay, عيش الغراب. The third one is الخيار, cucumber. Okay, خيار, خيار, cucumber, خيار, and one is خيارة, okay, so cucumber is خيار, carrot is جزر, okay, and the single is جزرة. Okay, so أنا باكل جزرة. I am eating one carrot. Okay, so I love carrots. أنا بحب الجزر. So carrot is جزر. Brinjal in spoken Egyptian is بتنجان. So أنا بحب البتنجان. I love brinjal. Okay, so and as usual, the single one is بتنجانة. So بتنجان. Radish is فجل. Okay, and the single one is فجلة. So فجل, radish. Okay, فجل. Spinach is سبانخ. Notice the similarity, it's very similar in spoken Egyptian. سبانخ, spinach. Okay, spinach. سبانخ, and make sure to pronounce the kha at the end. سبانخ, and it doesn't have any singular form, just like this. I love spinach. أنا بحب السبانخ. Okay, سبانخ, no single form. Corn, ذرة, corn, ذرة. We say in Egyptian ذرة. Okay, ذرة, corn. So ذرة. Pumpkin, we say قرع العسل. Okay, قرع العسل, and it's totally different as you can see from the English name, but say it with me, قرع العسل. Potato is بطاطس. Okay, بطاطس, and usually we say بطاطساية. Okay, بطاطساية, one piece of potato. Okay, بطاطساية. Okay, so أنا عايز أكل البطاطساية دي. I want to eat this piece. Okay, so بطاطس it's in general. So for example, أنا عايز أشتري بطاطس. I want to buy بطاطس. بكام البطاطس? How much is the potato? Okay, بطاطس. So now you are equipped with 10 important vegetable names in spoken Egyptian. Okay, don't forget to sign up for free in my Egyptian Arabic 101 course. It's an introductory course. I offer it free of charge. You can find the link for the enrollment in the comment below, in the first comment below, and also in the description box. Don't forget to like this episode and subscribe to Linguamid, and share this episode if you find it useful. Don't forget also to look at my description box below and find many important resources about spoken Egyptian and about the Arabic language. And if you want anything or need any information, ask any question, just drop me a comment below the video. Thanks a lot, and see you in a future video.